Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the best car emergency safety hammer. Meet the EFC Car Emergency Safety Hammer, built for moments when every second counts, giving you peace of mind on the road. Let's get started. Product features: quick and effective window braking. Imagine being trapped in a car after an accident. This tungsten steel firing pin is built to break glass in seconds, giving you a way out when time is critical. Its strength and safety in the palm of your hand. Heavy hammer head for added power. The weighted hammer head takes the pressure off you. You don't need to be strong or frantic. Its design helps shatter tough glass more easily, so you can stay calm and focus on getting yourself or your family to safety. Seatbelt cutter for extra safety. Sometimes seatbelts jam when you need them most. That's why this hammer includes a sharp cutter to free you instantly. It's another layer of protection, helping you or your loved ones escape quickly when doors won't open. Durable and reliable build. This isn't a tool you use every day, but when the time comes, you need it to work. Built to withstand impact after impact, it's a companion that stays ready for years. Dependable when you need it most. Essential for water and fire emergencies. Whether it's a car filling with water or trapped in smoke and flames, this hammer gives you a fighting chance. It's made for the worst situations, so you can protect the people who matter most to you. Pros: breaks windows quickly with tough tungsten steel. Weighted head makes it easier for anyone to use. Seatbelt cutter gives a second escape route. Durable, dependable, and always ready. Life-saving potential in water or fire emergencies. Cons: needs a little strength to use effectively. Blade should be kept sharp for best results. Doesn't replace other safety gear. Must be stored where you can grab it fast. Metal head may need care to avoid rust. Final thoughts. When it comes to emergencies, preparation is love in action. The EFAC Car Emergency Safety Hammer isn't just a tool, it's a promise to yourself and to your family that you'll be ready if the unthinkable happens. With its strong glass-breaking power, built-in seatbelt cutter, and durable design, it's about giving yourself options when life gives you none. It does ask for a bit of care and thought in where you keep it, but the peace of mind it offers is priceless. For anyone who wants to drive with confidence and protect their loved ones, this is a simple but courageous choice. Safety is something we often take for granted until the moment we need it most. Be ready, stay safe, and give yourself peace of mind. Check the price link in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product so you'll always know about tools that protect you and the people you love. Thanks for being here, and take care on the road.